Hi, today I'm running the HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and then drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just to add here more applications in one click, a couple of apps in one click, you should just open the folder, click to this plus icon and select applications which you want to add to your folder. Then just tap to OK. To rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one, for example the apps. As you can see, we just successfully renamed our folder. To move it here on the lock screen or between the on the home screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the folder, hold it for a while and tap to enlarge. If you want to make it smaller, just hold it and tap to shrink. Also, we could rename it just by hold the folder and tap to rename. So if you want to remove the application from the folder, you should just hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want, you can also remove here all of the applications from the folder to just remove only the folder. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.